water. Yes, we are gonna open up the ocean. Okay, go. Get out. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Oh yeah. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. It's so hard, dog. I don't think. Okay, so this is not easy. Okay. So now $100. Yeah, $100. $100. Yes, I do. Okay, nice. So now I have money. Gosh, I only get more. Okay. Nice. Let me get money. No. Oh wait, we could do a redstone. So let me do this. No. So $15. And then how I died, sorry. Okay. Okay.
So, them chairs, fix them chairs now. You understand your man? Now is my chair? Everything you tell, you don't know. And then I thought, so I want that shit. I want them to come and find and move it from me. That I want. Hey, she's in the bathroom. I'm not in front of you. Tony, come here. I'm not in front of the bathroom yet. But let us step on. Put that clean one here and take that one and put it in the machine for me.
Okay, there, there, and there, and there. Now, what's how much money we'll be making? Okay, since let me buy the best rod. Wait, before we buy the rod. Okay. Nice. We have enough for that rod. I walk fast now, actually. Real fast. So what should I upgrade the cocoa phantom? That's kind of like my best brain rot. Not like in the brain rot, you know. Next. Okay. Right now Jay is here, but she's dating. She don't want to join up with you. Wait, I didn't know we had these things. Clean. Wait, we got I got lots of money in there. Let me open it at the same time. Open, open, open. Shut up. Okay, wait. Oh, this is the best. Key. Upgrade that. How much that lose? 1,029K. Got it up. Got it up. So, we gotta get them. I think we're going to get by the next Roger. Well, just now. Oh, this one. Nah, I don't want to upgrade it yet. When I get the, let me get 200 real quick, and then we could just go. So 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, there you go. We got 200K right there. We just got 200K right there. Okay, so when as I wanted to buy that rod, I hope I have enough. Okay. Nice now I have done that. Oh my gosh. Look at that rod. That is sick. That is sick. So now let me just get 200 again real quick, and now. Oh yes. Wait till coming back. Mommy? Alright, sorry, I'm back. I'm back, girl. I'm back. Okay. I was saying, this rod is so good. Free. It's for free? Nice! I got the lucky block. So let me just place that lucky block right there. Okay. Okay, nice. Let me open that lucky block real quick. That big! Bigger than my brainrots. Okay. Wait. Oh, yeah, open it already. This one kind of loady thing. Ooh, a legend, damn. That's better than my way. I'm gonna upgrade that in a sec. I did it bad, sorry. BAM! Perfect. Sorry. Wait. Sorry. Okay. Ah! Okay. Okay, anyways. Shoot. Okay. The lucky block nearly was gone there for a sec. Yeah. A very lucky block, nice. What did we get? That's the least brown. I forgot. I want a mill. Mill already. Just give me a mill already. Just give me a mill. I need it. If I don't get a mill here, I'm literally freaking my balls out. Because I want to offend a mill. Sorry. I just had to upgrade it. So today I'll go by really. If I could. If I could. I'll see if I could go by really Saturday. And I'll put some things in it. Instantly I won't have to do like 2 or 1. Or nice, has that OP, nice. What to do again? Okay, I got a mill. Wait. That's the evening. Yeah. Now I did it bad. No. Close. Whoop. Amazing. Go. Please. I have to go here. Please. Get this. Tell me if I'm safe. Look. Nope, I'm not safe. I'm a leader. Open time. Perfect. Okay. Go. Odin. I have to go for the freaking Odin. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I nearly died for that bird. For one reason, where I'm going to put it. Sorry, I have to replace one bird. The cook. How much did I do? 4. How much did I do? Yep, I selling this. $3 million, 4 million, and then that's the end. I'm out. Okay. After the end of the video, I'm done with this game. Let me just buy one more thing. Hey, I'm out.